In today's video, I am going to teach you how to mention people in a Facebook business page post. Start by going to facebook.com and make sure you are already logged into your account. From the left side of the screen, open your Facebook business page using the navigation menu. Once your page is open, look again at the menu on the left and click Meta Business Suite. After Meta Business Suite loads, find and click Content. This will take you to the area where you can manage and create posts for your page. From there, click Create Post to begin a new Facebook post. If Facebook asks which page you want to use, select your Facebook business page. This makes sure the post is being created from the correct page before you add any text or media. Inside the post editor, begin typing your message. When you are ready to mention someone, type the @ symbol, followed by the name of the person you want to mention. As you type, Facebook may show a list of matching profiles. If you see the correct person in that list, click their name to insert the mention into your post. In some cases, no matching profile will appear. This is normal. Facebook business pages cannot always mention every personal profile. In many situations, a page can only mention people who have already interacted with the page, or other pages that allow mentions. So if the name does not appear, it usually means that Facebook does not allow that mention from your business page. Once you have added the mention, finish writing the rest of your post. You can also add photos, videos, or links if needed. After that, review the full post carefully and make sure the mention appears correctly in the text. This is important because a proper mention should look like a linked name inside the post. When everything looks right, click Publish to post it immediately. If you do not want to share it right away, you can also choose Schedule to publish it later, or Save as Draft if you want to come back and finish it another time. That is how you mention people in a Facebook business page post using Meta Business Suite. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.